Let's make a dragon using AI-textpromptgenerator.com. First navigate to AI-textpromptgenerator.com. Next open the builder from the sidebar. Now click the base prompt field to edit it. Type in a scary dark regal dragon by Jordan Nelson and digitally illustrated by Otto Dix. Now let's add some styles by clicking the random button above. Select styles from the drop-down menu. This will add some fun random styles to our dragon. Scroll down to step 3 final prompt and click the copy icon. Now we are ready to generate our dragon image. Further down, let's click on Stable Diffusion from the free image generators section. This will take you to a free image generator where you will use your prompt. Click the Enter Your Prompt field and paste in your prompt. Click Generate Image. Right-click on any images you like and select Save Image to download. Congratulations, you have made your first Dragon AI artwork.